Hey, this is John with 2 Moose Home Inspections, and today we'll be talking about arc fault circuit interrupters and how they might soon be protecting every circuit in your home. Welcome to Inspector Insights. This 6-part video series will be discussing the service entrance panel, fuses, circuit breakers, ground fault circuit interrupters, arc fault circuit interrupters, and whole home surge protection. This video specifically will be discussing arc fault circuit interrupters. Much like the GFCI breakers that we learned about in the previous video, AFCI breakers use a circuit board to detect faults and shut off the power before your house has a bad outcome. If you remember the scenario that we discussed about you recently receiving that commissioned oil painting of yourself and using a nail to hang it up, well, I alluded to the need for an AFCI protection, and here's why. If that nail of yours ever so barely nicked the hot wire, it's possible that a little bit of stray electricity is arcing between the wire and the nail. An electrical arc is extremely hot. So hot, in fact, that it turns air between the two conductors into plasma, which is very, very hot. When the nail was hammered into the wall, there was no indication that you hit the wire. Nothing stopped working, you were not injured, and everything seemed okay. Except that the arcing electricity will soon catch your house on fire. Thanks to the AFCI breaker installed in your service panel, the breaker detected the fault and shut off the power, thus saving your house. An AFCI looks at the frequency of the current traveling through the wires, and if it detects a specific frequency, then it'll classify that as a fault and trip the breaker. Good arcs can occur when a light switch is operated, when a refrigerator compressor first turns on, or when a microwave is used. When a bad arc event occurs, it produces a broad range of frequencies, so the AFCI is calibrated to ignore the good arcs and only classify the frequencies of bad arcs as a fault. A significant amount of research and improvement has been done to classify good arcs to prevent nuisance trips. These nuisance trips were a real inconvenience when AFCIs were first produced, but they have all but been eliminated in modern AFCI breakers. Combination breakers can include protection from AFCIs, GFCIs, and thermomagnetic breakers. Modern combination AFCI breakers can detect 7 different types of fault conditions, making them the best safety product that you can buy to update your electrical system. This is why, in the very near future, combo AFCIs will be required to protect every circuit in a home for new construction or electrical upgrades. Now, I can already hear it. Whoa there, buddy. My house has been grandfathered in, and I don't want any of that newfangled technology in my house. And I get it. You've been grandfathered in, and you have every right to drive a vintage car without airbags, without crumple zones, without seatbelts, going 75 miles per hour down the highway. And you know what? If you want to keep playing with your vintage lawn dart set whenever the whole family comes over to visit, more power to you. But keep in mind, just because you have been grandfathered into the future doesn't mean that you shouldn't make the change to keep you and your family safe for generations to come. In the next video, we'll be talking about how to keep your electronics safe. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a home inspection, please visit 2moosehomeinspections.com. Have a wonderful day.